Peace be upon you and God's mercy and blessings. Welcome to a new video from the Information Security channel. Many of us open our Facebook account on our phones after a long time and forget the password, and we can't access the email linked to the account, or the phone SIM card is lost, not available, and we're unable to change the account password. In today's video, I'll explain how to change your Facebook account password without needing the old password, and this will be done by adding a new email and phone number. Follow the video to the end, and before I start explaining, don't forget to support us by liking the video, subscribing to the channel, and activating the notification bell so you receive all our new videos. In the name of God, let's begin the explanation. We'll open Facebook. Then we go to the profile page. You will see the About section information displayed here, and we'll click on it. You will find written here real contact information with Tansai, and below it the email address with the word edit next to it. We will click on edit. We'll find here the word manage contact information, and we'll click on it. And here it is written, add a phone number and add an email address. We'll click on add phone number. We will write here the phone number that we want. And we press continue. We will wait for a message with the confirmation code. As you can see, the message has arrived. We will be reassured, my friend. The phone number has been confirmed so that the card can be received on the same phone. We select close. With that, we have added a phone number. Now, if we click here to add an email address, we will find it asking us to enter the old password here. We will exit this page and return to the main page. We click on the three lines at the top left. Let's scroll down to settings and privacy settings. Then we press on the word settings. We will scroll down the page until we reach the notification settings. We will click on notification settings. We scroll down the page and find email. Click on email, and the email address on the page will appear in front of us, so we click on it. The word add email here, appeared in front of us here. We click on it. We will enter the email that we want to add to the page here. What we wrote now, we just wait for the message to come in. Let's see what happened. 16536 we cover for sure. Just wait for it to load. Then we'll go back to the settings to try changing the password. Then we go to settings. We will go to security and login. We will click on change password. As you can see, it is asking us for the old password and to enter the new password. We will click on Forgot Password. And as you can see, this brought up the page to get the login code. And here it showed us the available emails, the new email and the old email that was on the page. It also showed us the option to send the code via a message to the phone number. We're going to choose to send the code in a message to the phone, mark it, and press continue. He shows us here that he sent us a message on the chip. The number in the message is 233716716, and then we press continue. As you can see, we press the second option. As you can see, we have the new password here. We'll enter the new password we want and then press next. And we click next. And with that, we've changed the Facebook password without needing the old password. So our episode is now over. Please share the video to reach more people. Peace and blessings be upon you.